In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Razer software for your headset. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and head on over to razer.com. Then from here, hover your mouse over PC. Then from here, scroll down, hover over software or click in the software. Then to the top of the page here, we want to click on all software. Now once you're on this page here, in the software page, we need to click onto 7.1 surround sound. Now it states here the purchase of your Razer headset comes with 7.1 surround sound software for superior positional audio and a lifelike gaming experience. We can go ahead and download the application below and register with your activation code to gain a competitive gaming advantage. So if we scroll down here, it's going to say included with these Razer headsets. So if you've got one of these headsets, you want to go ahead and click on download now. This is compatible with Windows 10 and 11. That's going to start downloading. Then once it's downloaded, just basically go ahead and run the installation. So it's going to install onto your computer and then also download and install onto your Razer headset as well.